Assalamualaikum and welcome to our tutorial on variable cost. Okay, as you can see from the graph, the variable cost line goes diagonal. Okay, it doesn't goes vertical, it doesn't go horizontal, it is diagonal. Okay, why? Because it changes in proportion to the amount of units produced. Okay, for example, see, if we were to produce 10 units of any item, okay, 10 units, and then let's say the variable cost per unit is 3 ringgit. So 10 times 3, so the total variable cost will be 30 ringgit. But if you were to produce 50 units, so 50 times 3 is 150 ringgit. So the total variable cost will increase, okay, which is not the same as fixed cost. Fixed cost remains the same in material whether you produce at 10 units or 50 units. Okay, so that's why the variable cost starts from point 0. So that means if you do not produce any item, then you do not have any variable costs. Okay, thank you.